Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rehmatullah. I am the student BS7 Microbiology, Kuwait University of Science and Technology. Welcome to my presentation. This is the front page of research paper from where I prepared my presentation topic. Now we will go to my presentation topic. My presentation topic is the first identification and antibiogram of Clostridium perfringens type C isolated from soil in the pieces of dead fools in South Korea. This is the content of my presentation topic. Introduction, type of Clostridium perfringens, toxin produced by Clostridium perfringens, material and method, deduction of Clostridium perfringens, preparation of genomic DNA, Clostridium perfringens toxin deduction, results, toxin in the type of Clostridium perfringens, discussion, conclusions. Introduction. This is the gram-positive bacteria mostly present in human and animal intestine. This bacteria cause gas gangrene or food poisoning in humans. Clostridium perfringens is anaerobic spore-forming gram-positive rod-shaped bacteria. Occurrence of Clostridium perfringens various environment, soil, and gastrointestinal tract of human and animal. Clostridium perfringens is associated with diverse environment including soil food, sewage and is a member of gastrointestinal tract. Disease caused by Clostridium perfringens. Clostridium perfringens is one of the most common cause food poisoning. Gastrointestinal infections in mammalian species, infections such as enterotoxemia because toxin produced in the intestine. Type of Clostridium perfringens. Um, Five different types: type A, type B, type C, type D, and type E. Type A cause diarrhea, dysentery, and gas gangrene in human. Type B and type D cause enterotoxemia in domestic animals. Type C cause enteritis and enterocolitis in horse and poults. Type E cause enteritis and chicken and domestic animals. Toxin produced by Clostridium perfringens. About 17 different toxins, four major toxin, alpha toxin, beta toxin, iota toxin, and epsilon toxin. Beta toxin is highly susceptible to the action of trypsin. Neonatal animal, Neonatal animal are particularly susceptible to the to the type C infection due to the low level of intestinal trypsin in the first day of life and the presence of trypsin inhibitor in colostrum. Material and method, sample collection and study areas. From 2009 to 2017, 225 horse, fecal and soil sample were collected from 45 horse farms located on Jeju Island and an inland region of South Korea. Seven samples were collected from the dead foals, feces, and contaminated soil around the dead body on each farm. Then samples were collected from healthy horse feces and general soil for comparison. The symptoms of all dead fools were the acute onset of diarrhea with multiple clinical signs of toxemia, such as fever, depressions, and dehydrations. Deduction of Clostridium perfringens. 10 grams of fecal or soil sample were collected in a new tube and diluted with 10 ml of 0.1 m phosphate buffer saline. The diluted tube was shaken for 30 minutes using a shaking incubator and inoculated into cooked meat medium. The culture CMM culture cooked meat medium was shaken well subculture onto blood agar plates and anaerobically incubated for 2 days at 37 centigrade. 2 days later, the Clostridium perfringens colony were evaluated for the last double zone of hemolysis macroscopic morphology characteristics, preparation of genomic DNA. Preparation of genomic DNA, most protocol of the bacteria genomic DNA consists of lysis followed by incubation with an unknown specific protease and a sense of extraction period to the participation of the nucleic acid. And the 3 DNA was extracted through boiling method, and in boiling method, one or two single colony were added to 100 microliter of distilled water or PBS. Shaken thoroughly with sterilized platinum. He treated at 100 centigrade for 30 minutes in dry bath and centrifuged at 13,000 RPM for 5 minutes. RPM stand for revolution per minute. PCR was performed using 50 microliter of the super Clostridium perpignan toxin deduction. All the strains were examined for alpha toxins genes and enterotoxins genes using commercially available real-time PCR kits. The remaining beta toxins, CPB, epsilon toxins, and iota toxins gene were identified by the convention PCR method. Deduction of toxin gene was carried out using primer probes and conditions. Results: the 25 11.1% Clostridium perfringens was isolated from 225 samples tested and 16 2 and 35.56% of 45 forms. These 25 strains were 100% is identical to the nucleotide sequence of Clostridium perfringens. ATCC 13,124 registered on NCBI website by using VETEC analysis and 16's RNA gene sequencing. Toxin in the type of Clostridium perfringens. All the samples were negative for CPE. Um Enterotoxins. CPE stand for enterotoxins. ETX, epsilon toxins, and ITX iodotoxin gene, but alpha toxin gene was deducted and 100% of 25 of the sample date were positive for Clostridium perfringens. Clostridium perfringens, beta toxin, and CPB2 were deducted and 40%, 10 of 25, and 60%, 15 of 25 of the sample that were positive for Clostridium perfringens, respectively. Discussion. Due to the extensive size of their clone, horses are more seriously affected by colitis than other animals without an expanded handcut. Of 25%, of 25 Clostridium perfringens isolates, 15 to 60% were type A and 10 to 40% were type C. Type C was observed on all the form where the fall death occurred. However, it is difficult to conclude that type C is the direct cause of death of the falls. There are correlations between the experiment and the mortality of fools. Conclusions. The purpose of this study was discover the cause of death of numerous falls in South Korea. Of the 25 Clostridium perfringens isolates, 15 to 60% were type A and 10 to 40% were type C. Type C was observed in all forms where the full death occurred. Thank you very much.